Welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing and reviewing my two Clean Beauty box subscriptions that I get, which is Petit Vour, oops, there you go, and Color Curate by So Susan. And I really do like both of these, and the Petit Vour tends to be more skincare, and I really just use it for 5 days to really see if it irritates my skin or not. And that is pretty much it, because I really do have sensitive skin. I know a lot of people look at these videos, or even people who know me, and go, oh, you have wonderful skin, you don't need this or whatever. Let me tell you, it is only wonderful because I am obsessed with skincare, and I am extremely careful because it does not take much to irritate my skin. So with that being said, let's get into our beauty boxes. Very first item out of the box is the card that shows the theme, and inside it shows the products and the prices and a little brief description about them. First item out of the box is the Seaweed Bath Company Firming Detox Body Cream. It is an iodine-rich and sustainably harvested bladder rack seaweed forms the base of the detoxifying cream that is rich with skin-plumping coffee and green tea extracts. Hyaluronic acid locks in moisture with rosemary and mint give this cream its refreshing scent. Okay, I am always nervous about anything that says seaweed or anything deep sea, because deep sea stuff tends to not do great on my skin, which kind of makes me nervous. It doesn't mean it's a horrible product or anything like that. It just means those things my skin doesn't like at all, and it reminds me every time with a nice, lovely, itchy, burning feeling. But it smells nice. I'm definitely going to give this a try, and I will definitely let you know what I think. Next we have Jane Iredale Lip Drink Lip Balm. Quench your lips with hydrating protection. This lip balm leaves lips soft, lemon-scented, and protected with reef-safe broad-spectrum SPF 15. Recommended by the Skin Counselor Foundation as effective lip protection. Okay, so I'm really big about SPF protection, and this really is just a faint lip color. It's nothing drastic. So I think, like, if you're going to be outdoors all day, or if you're running around town or whatever, I think this is going to be a great lip color, you know, if you're outdoors and that kind of thing. So I'm excited about this. I am very familiar with this brand, and I do really like this brand quite a bit. Next we have Moon Rivers Naturals Peppermint Lava Hand and Body Soap. Black lava salt gently exfoliates, activated charcoal detoxifies, and peppermint essential oil leaves skin with a refreshing tingle in this calming hand and body soap. Okay, this is a very interesting soap to me. It smells good. It really smells good. I think this is something I might want to put by my kitchen sink, to be honest with you, because, like, sometimes food doesn't smell so good. Alright, last item in the box is Lauren B. Beauty Nail Growth Serum. This sheer blend of amino acids, antioxidants, vitamins E and C, peptides, and vegan biotin is salvation for your hands. Whether fragile, brittle, or already healthy, your nails will grow stronger and be glossier than ever. Okay, that's really interesting. I don't know anything about this brand or this product. And it does look like this is full size, which is crazy. This says 8 ounces here, and this is 0.08 ounces, and this is 0.08 ounces. And this is crazy, because this box is like $18. This product alone cost $75, so it's got to be magic. That's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking this is going to be magical. First item out of this bag is the card showing the theme, and on the back side, of course, it has the list of the products along with the prices. And yes, before I forget, the makeup bag is estimated to be worth $12, and these makeup bags are limited editions for these beauty subscriptions. And normally I really like them. Normally I think they're really cute. There's some designs that I kind of felt was a little bit of a miss, but overall I think they're really cute and well designed. Alright, the first item I pull out is Cherry Pop by Jelly Pong Pong. It says on here that this is an intense lip and cheek highlight cream. So I was looking at this thinking that can't be right because that kind of looks not great, but as a highlight for cheeks and stuff, you rub it in, it is very much so a highlight, and it is pretty when you blend it out, and very much so dimensional. It looks like it has like a little bit of a purple undertone. Very nice. Next we have Light Odyssey and Rave by So Susan. I've never tried their stick highlights before, and that is what this is. That's a really pretty peach color, and it looks just as peachy on the skin. So that is really nice. That's really pretty, and yeah, I am interested to see how well this wears. Alright, so the last item in this is the palette Origin by Jelly Pong Pong. Now, I don't know that I've used any of the palettes. Maybe I have, I don't know. But in the palette, these look like very brown, kind of gold, but like swatched, I can see that they're like, they actually, I'm like really pleasantly surprised because it looks like it's a full look that actually goes together. Like, look at this, because I think it was a month ago or last month or whatever, the colors didn't all quite go together very well, but I feel like this is a very solid look. Yeah, so I think that I can wear this for 5 days and have a complete look. I might throw in a couple colors here and there, I don't know, but it's gonna be, I'm gonna wear this every day, but I might add a little bit by day 3 or 4 because you all know I get bored with the same look every day. But anyways, I'm gonna try all these products out for a week and I will come back and give you my review. It has been 5 days. I have tried everything out, and I'm gonna start with the Petit Vour box. So I did use this. And since it says it's for hand and body, I used it for body, and let me tell you, using it in the evening after a rough day was wonderful because it does have like the peppermint in it, so you just kind of felt refreshed, and I thought it was relaxing, so I like that. And then there was the Firming Detox Cream. I really like this. This was a really thick cream. Didn't seem to irritate. It did kind of have a nice tingling feeling, so paired with this, it was absolutely wonderful. Really enjoyed it. And then there was the full size of this Jane Iredale lip. If I can open it, there we go. I did use this a few times, but I didn't think the color went with the overall look, so I didn't wear it a lot, but I did really like this. It had a nice refreshing feel to it. It wore really nicely, so that was good for me too. And then for the nail thing, now obviously I didn't use this long enough to know how well it does on my nails, but there's nothing weird about it. Is it like a nice thick gel, so when you first put it on, you might want to let it sit for a few minutes, and then it just sort of absorbs into your nail, and that's it. But other than that, I did like that too. So for the 4 products in there, it was a 4 out of 4 for me. I really enjoyed everything in that box. And then we had the So Susan Color Curate box. Now I did really like this. I actually have this on now because I'm so pale. I actually ended up using this more of a blush, and I actually have it on now. You can't really see it because of lighting, but I have it on now, and because it also doubles as a lip. I didn't like the way this felt as a lip alone, but I would put the gloss on and then I dab a little bit on the lips. I don't know if you can see it, but I dabbed it in the center and I thought it looked really pretty that way, so I really did enjoy that. This highlight here, this is not a blinding highlight. It's a nice highlight, it's pretty, but it gives you a very natural, neutral look. So if you like blinding highlights, it might not be the highlight for you, but if you like a nice neutral highlight to give you a nice natural look, it's a very, very nice one. And then this Tinted Lip Glow is what it's called. This is the gloss, and I really like this. Wears really nice. You would think it's a little sticky the way it looks in here, but it's not sticky at all. So yeah, really like that. And then the Jelly Pong Pong palette here. My complaint about this is there's only 4 colors for this size. They could have made this like half the size for the 4 colors and that would have been sufficient. Other than that, I really liked these colors. I thought they were going to be all the same at first, but they're not. They are very beautiful colors, and I thought I was going to get really bored by day 5, which I am wearing today, and I did not. So when colors are pretty much the same and very neutral or all that, I tend to explore a little bit more with eyeliners and mascaras, which I did a little bit, but they were still in the same color range. But yeah, I did really like this palette. And so out of the 4 things in that bag, it was also a 4 out of 4 for me. So yay on the Clean Beauty bags boxes this month. They were super wonderful, super great, and I can't wait to see what next month holds.